In this video, I'm going to talk about the Premiertek Powerlink PL-18N, this USB wireless device right here. It's pretty good. I like the range it gives me. It's not a crazy range, but I've been picking up signal maybe 300 meters away type of thing that my airport card wouldn't usually pick up. And that's what I bought it for. I bought it for extra range. Here's just a idea of what the wireless utility is like. So it has a site survey. That's where the networks come up and you can connect and add them to the profile. Now we're not getting much right now. We're just getting my networks because I'm in the basement. But if I were to go upstairs, I would get about 5 or 6, and the houses aren't too close to me in my neighborhood, so it's not bad. And most of their signals are over 40%. So here shows the networks available. Then the link status, as you can see, mine's 100% just because it's only about 15 feet away. Every profile you have, and you can choose what one you want to connect to, whatever. Has stats. And yeah, that's about it. I'm pretty happy with it. I would recommend it. I got a refurbished version for cheap on eBay. Thanks for watching. This is all what was included with the PL-18N. All the standard stuff. One really nice thing I wanted to say was that this USB cable is really long, and it's really nice to have because you can position this in a good spot. Because I've had different adapters where the USB cable's only 4 feet or whatever, and it's really hard to use your laptop while having it on such a short leash. This one included really long USB cable, really nice. And yeah, I just wanted to say that. Thanks for watching.